All right, number 6 says the annual sales for a company is 149,999. So that's going to be our initial value. And it says in the problem that it appreciates. So whenever you see the word appreciates, that's going to mean growth. Depreciates means decay, appreciates means growth. So if it's growth, we're going to use the model 1 plus r raised to x. All right, so it tells us that the rate of increase is 4.5% per year. So my rate is going to be 4.5%, but we're going to divide that by 100 because we can't use it as a percentage. We got to convert it into a decimal. So I'm going to say 4.5 divided by 100, and we get 0.045. That's what we're going to substitute into our equation. Then they want us to find the model and then figure out how much their sales are going to be worth in 7 years. So if we plug in what we know that the initial value is 149,999, and we're doing 1 plus because 1 plus is going to represent growth, and we're going to say 0.045 for the rate, and we're going to raise that to x. And again, once we've plugged all that information in, we're going to simplify and we're going to find the base. So if I add those together, 1.0.045, we get our base, and this problem is going to be 1.045 altogether. Now, that's going to represent our model. Now, we want to use the model, and we're going to substitute in our x value, 7 years. So if I substitute in 7 years, and I'm going to calculate that into decimals after I substitute that 7 years in to get our answer. So we have 149,999 times 1.045. We're going to raise that to 7. So we are talking about money in this situation. So if we're talking about money in this situation, we would say that it is approximately worth, their sales are going to be $204,000, 127.91.